Hi there, I am making a salmon dip, but it's actually a tuna dip on the Thermomix, and I'm just changing out a few of the ingredients. So I just wanted to talk you through while I'm making it. So I've gone on to Cookidoo, which is the online recipe cookbook, and I've put in tuna dip and I'm going to start cooking. So it's going to tell me to add my flat leaf parsley, and then 30 grams of walnut halves, and it's on 0, so it's going to measure it for me. And there is, so halves, 1 spring onion, a pinch of salt, black pepper, and then insert the lid. Go next, and it says 3 seconds on a speed of 7. Next, scrape down the sides. It comes with its own spatula. 60 grams of mayonnaise, 250 grams of cream cheese, insert next. Now 12 seconds at a speed of 4.5. So not really powerful because the nuts have already been chopped up, so we don't want to chop them up anymore. Now, I did have someone say the other day that they've seen cooking videos online, but they never show them inside the bowl. So I want to show you that's what it's looking like currently. Next, add my salmon, but you can use tuna instead. Insert lid, 15 seconds on speed 5, and then it says serve immediately. My gosh, look how much that makes. It's a massive amount. Now, I know that capers are really nice in this, so I'm going to stir through some capers, and I'm also going to put some lemon juice in it. But that is absolutely beautiful, and I'm going to serve that with crackers and with veggie sticks, and we are absolutely going to enjoy it.